Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will show you how you can modify your password. Let's say you have NVR DVR and someone set up the password already for you, but just for your security you have decided you want to change the password. So here we are using our 8 channel NVR Hikvision, the model number DS-7608 NI-I2 8P. So we have a password already set up, but we would like to change the password for our security reasons. So what you have to do, you should know the main password. So what you have to do, simply go to the system. Here you can see the user, and here as you can see modify. So we want to modify the password. Okay, simply modify, and then it will ask for a confirm permission. You should know the main password. So we know the main password at the moment, which is SSRCCTV3211. So make sure whatever you're typing, entering, you can click icon here, eye icon, so you know what you have typed or what you're typing. Okay, so that's our current password. So I will do next. I'll try again. SSRCCTV3211. Okay, so we know the current password. Now we want to make a new password. So here modify. Simply now you can select a new password. So I'm going to select a new password, SS. So make sure click here so you know what you're typing. RCCTV321. Okay, so confirm again. SSRCCTV321. Okay, this is done now. So simply you can do OK, and the password is modified. The GUIDP file is ineffective. Export a new one. Just ignore that one. If you want you can do yes, but I'll ignore for the time being. And duplicate the password to the channel default password. Basically we have a different password for the camera, for example, and then we have a different password. We want to make a same password like a default channel password as well. So I'll make it yes, and duplicate the password to IP camera that are connected with the default protocol. We have already one camera connected which might have a different password, so we want to make sure the camera has the same password as well. If you connect new camera or same. Okay, yes, now the camera already connected, and now let's try whether we have a right password or not. Okay, just to log out. Yes, now log in again. So you have pattern as well. Let me do the pattern. Okay, but I want to show you log out, then I will show you how you can have a password. Yes, like rather than pattern, we can switch to user. Now the new password, which is SSRCCTV321. let's see. Okay, so guys, working fine perfectly. So this way you can change the password of your NVR or DVR. Similar method, I think, doesn't matter NVR DVR, the same concept. Go to the system setting, here user, and then you can modify. Make sure you know the current password of the device. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon with our next technical video. Bye bye.